unknown. I will beat you. The attack yesterday was not the end for you. When we had this match, this will be the end of you.
This is TNW. We are live from Raleigh, North Carolina. Like, subscribe to TNW, subscribe to DJ Kimmon's channel, subscribe to Coach Daniel's channel, and this will be a one-on-one match. Introducing first, the TNW World Heavyweight Champion, Unknown. Weighing 194 pounds. And his opponent, Jigsaw, the Monster. Weighing 215 pounds. Ding. Oh, nothing too close, man. And the world's strongest. Now that was his combat move. And then that drop. Picks him up. Corner for a powerbomb. And the powerbomb. 1, 2, kick out at a 2. Oh, he dropped it. Amazing. And Jigsaw's getting out the ring. Unknown is too. No. Oh! Oh! A powerbomb into the side. Oh! Throw his head into it. Into the pole. Oh, and the clothesline. Now he drives him back in by his head. And the jumping DDT. Pound 1, 2, and the kick out. Dang, they starting this match off pretty good. Better than what I thought. But see, these two guys got a rivalry now. Jigsaw don't like Unknown enough. No, what is Unknown doing to Jigsaw? Superman punch. Dang, that was a nice one. And now he's going for another high fly move. Oh, this gets 4 in midair. Oh, I think that's how you say it. Oh, and another one. Oh, and hits his stomach. Throw him into the bite. Oh no, it's rocking over here. Oh no, it's up there at the top. No. Oh, and the swinging kick. Hits the head. Oh. Just started punching him in the head. And he got the trash can. Oh. And runs Unknown's head into the pole. Throws him. DDT. RKO. Pound 1, 2, and a kick out. On the drop kick. Oh, I hit him in the head. And pound 1, 2, and a kick out. Owens finisher the spear. And the pound 1, 2, and a kick out at 2. But these guys are hurt. Oh. No, in the chokes now. And chokes now. Finisher. The belly slam. The pound 1, 2, and a kick out. 2 springs just popped off. The spear. Pound 1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. No, no one is your winner. We'll see you guys later.